Hi, my name is Lobsang Wangdu. I'm with yourwangdu.com. I'd like to show you how to make veggie pale. A veggie pale is basically vegetable bread. So you need all these ingredients. I'll use main ingredients and tofu. You need firm tofu. And also you need cilantro and soy sauce, veggie broth. And also this is the dough, and onion, garlic, ginger, a little bit of green onion. Also I use baby pak choy and dry mushroom. First, I'm gonna soak the mushroom. This is the dried shiitake mushroom. Normally I soak it in the hot water. I'm using white all-purpose flour for two people. I'm using 2.5 cups of flour. I'm gonna add water. Basically you need just add like this, water like this. So basically you kind of, while you mixing the dough with the water, you just do kind of slowly. I use water, almost 1 cup of water. So this is, I think it's pretty good. If dough is too stiff, don't worry, because if you sit dough for a little while, the dough gets softened. So this is already pretty soft. Next, I'm gonna cut the tofu. I'm gonna cut the tofu very small pieces. Basically you cut it like this and then make tiniest you can. The mushroom is ready, so I'm gonna drain the water. Basically you want to drain out the water pretty good, because you don't want to have too much water. I'm going to cut it really small pieces, and then I'm going to stir fry with the tofu. I'm going to cook the mushroom and tofu together. Basically I'm going to stir fry. In order to stir fry, I need oil. So I'm using canola oil. So I'm going to use 4 cup. I'm cooking tofu and the mushroom because I want to really want to dry out all the waters. Now the oil is pretty hot, so I'm going to add the mushroom and tofu. I'm going to add the tofu first. Be careful, it's going to be really hot. You can see. And mushroom. I cooked my tofu and the mushroom high heat 5 minutes, so now it is ready. The tofu is a little brownish. Basically, before I wash, I just take this out apart because they have so much junk in it. I'm going to chop really small piece like this. Now I'm chopping the ginger. You have to chop really tiny pieces. I'm chopping the cilantro. You have to chop really small. It's pretty brutal. This is tofu pretty much, and except some mushrooms. This is give you the flavor. So I'm gonna mix with the vegetables. So this is gonna be the veggie chapali. Now I'm gonna add all the spice. I'm gonna add veggie broth, tablespoon. Okay. Then soy sauce. I'll cut 1 tablespoon. Half the teaspoon. Yeah. Have salt. You need a little saltier than because you know in the dough you don't have anything, so that's why you need a little saltier. That's about it. So now I'm gonna mix it. Basically, I can mix really well with my hands. So this is a really kind of key thing. Normally, I don't use tofu directly uncooked tofu because you know if you use tofu, it's too watery. So that's why I did tofu stir fry. And they won't have any water. So this is the filling for vegetable pale. So it's pretty tasty. If you never had Tibetan veggie pale, try it. It's pretty good, pretty yummy. I'm gonna taste. Okay, a little salty. But should be okay. Now I'm gonna show you how to make the veggie momo. Basically, you can make the dough 2 different ways. I'm gonna make this first roll like this. Dough is a little too watery, so I'm gonna. If the dough is really watery, you can put a little flour, so no problem. So I'm gonna roll like this, flattened up. Has to be quite thin, otherwise it can be really doughy. So we don't want that. Yeah, like this. Second thing is I'm gonna use this, cut it up, so this will do the measurement exactly. Kind of round shape. That's what we need the shape. I use this little cup, so it's kind of you need a round and a little thin edge. So just put like this and then press hard and cut this dough. So it makes this shape. Now I'm gonna make how to make 1 by 1. Basically, normally Tibetans make like this. So basically like this, make, then roll like this, and then you do like this. As you turn around, I kind of need like thin edge. It just need to be thin because you know we're gonna put 2 dough together, so it's gonna be really thick. That's why I just thin is the best. Actually myself, I don't know how to roll really good. That's why I'm using the other one. So now I'll show you how to make the real pale. Okay, like this. Put like this. Pinch them really well. You have to pinch really well, otherwise the juice come out while you're cooking it. That's why you have to close really well. Also, you want to have the juice, so pinch like this, and it's really. So now you have to do the final close up like this. So basically you keep in your right hand, and the left hand just kind of pinch and put it, and then just like this. And then while you keep doing it's rotating. This is the veggie ballet. I'm gonna cook the veggie ballet. After you heat a little bit, then just put the ballet right in the pan. You don't have to cook inside veggie ones. So because veggie is pretty much tofus are already cooked. Now I'm cooking the ballet. So when you have to turn it over, one gets golden brown. So just this one has to cook pretty good. So like that. So other side you should get a golden brown like this. That and you will see become other side like this, then already cooked. Now we finished the veggie pali. Normally we eat with the veggie pali and lamb pickle and soy sauce. Thank you for watching this video. Please leave us comment below. We really appreciate for your comments. Thank you.